All right, I have put a teaser video out and I've been promising content, and I think it's finally time. Between a combination of world events and illnesses and construction and life, you can understand how I might be been a bit delayed. So this is what I'm working with. It's Toyota Corolla AE86, and as you can probably tell from the layer of crap, it's been sitting for a long time, so I'm hoping to change that. Started long ago and fixing up some spots, and I'm gonna have to retouch those up. So my main concern is I've got a spot in the engine bay. That'll be today's project. Basically where the battery was sat, exploded for a long time and rotted it out. So you can see there I've made a previous repair, and that's where I learned I'm terrible at it. It's ugly and I'm gonna have to rework it. But today I've got a piece made here. Gonna try and get that stuck right there. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully better than the last one. I'll show you the back side of this ugly thing. Yeah, yikes. Ugh. Terrible. So hopefully it'll go a little bit smoother. I'll show you the other side of the car. Excuse my mess. Pretty well stripped down. So I'll be using Miller-Matic 252. See if I can get this a little bit better than the first one. Ugh. Gotta give a shout out to my auto body friends. You guys make this stuff look super easy. I've got it tacked in on my second try, and even still just barely pulling the trigger, and I'm blowing a couple holes. So I've watched a ton of videos and I'm working my way around slow and taking breaks, and hopefully I can get it filled in here quick and it won't look terrible. Well, not the prettiest thing, but I wasn't blowing huge holes like I was over on this god-awful thing. So hopefully I can touch it up with a grinder quick and see what I'm left with. Looking a whole lot better. It's really hard not to grind too much. I got a couple holes I gotta fix, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. Looks like it's not going to be a complete disaster. A little more touch up, I'll be back. Okay, next day. Look at that. That's not so bad. A little bit more work, but yeah, there's still that. I touched up the bottom a little bit too. It's nowhere near as ugly. Not too bad. Way better than that. If it keeps going this way, I should be able to do one after my 4th or 5th try. Yeesh. Holes are plugged, albeit poorly. Donor tray removed. So I just got to get her smoothed out, welded in. And we got some weld through primer on. I welded up the holes on the tray. Clean those up from drilling the spot rivets out, or spot welds out, and gonna try and weld it on. See what the hell happens. Well, apparently weld through primer is either not what I thought it was, or I'm just not using it right. I put some plug welds in these 3 on each side. Neither one of them took, so I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what. I'm gonna have to do some reading and probably watch some videos and find out what the hell I'm doing wrong. I'm trying to learn all these lessons now, because I've got a section back here that I've already cut out, and this obviously is going to matter because it's on the exterior of the car. So I want to make that one as nice as I can. Learn my lessons on the inside, on the under the hood, where I can cover it up easy. But I'll get to it, see what I can figure out. Well, I'm getting downright desperate. Tried 2 different things. This is a 3rd try. Obviously, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I'm going to give something radical a try. I've seen this work before. I guess it's worth a shot. Nope, doesn't work. Trays in. Drilled some holes, cleaned the metal, plug welded it. Good enough. Moving on. Next project, gonna throw some fenders on and get some body work done. Probably pull trim. I'll see you then. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please stick with me as I get better with this computer stuff and editing and camera work, and hopefully get more equipment. But this is keeping me motivated to get my project done, get my car back on the road. Hopefully we'll make something of it. Thanks.